Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore Python metaclasses. What they are, why they matter, and how we can use them to control class creation. Let's get started. In Python, everything is an object, including classes. The special class responsible for creating other classes is called a metaclass. By default, Python uses type as its metaclass. Let's check the type of some basic objects. As you can see, integers belong to int. And floats belong to float. Functions also have a type. And even classes themselves are instances of type. This tells us that Python classes are actually objects themselves. Since classes are objects, we can create them dynamically using type. The syntax is first class name, second base classes, and finally attributes. For example, let's create an empty class dynamically, with class name of test class. Now, let's add attributes to it. X with value 1 and Y with value 2. This allows us to add attributes to a class dynamically. We can also inherit from an existing class while creating a new class dynamically. This new class inherits from player and retains its methods. We can even add methods dynamically. Just like attributes, we can define functions dynamically and assign them as methods. Now, let's take things further. What if we want to modify how classes are created? That's where metaclasses come in. A metaclass is a class that defines how other classes behave. Let's create a simple metaclass that prints when a class is created. Now whenever we create a class using this metaclass, Python prints a message. This is useful for debugging or adding special behaviors. One common use case of metaclasses is the singleton pattern. This ensures that only one instance of a class exists. Even though we try to create two objects, obj1 and obj2, they both point to the same instance.